Welcome to Roscarrick House, a distinguished coastal residence on Freshwater Lane, beautifully restored and positioned to capture some of the most captivating views in St Mawes. Originally constructed in the 1930s, Roscarrick House is recognised as one of St Mawes' most principal period residences. Notable for its distinctive architectural detailing, including original hurricane windows, now carefully preserved through a comprehensive and sympathetic restoration. From the balcony terrace, the setting reveals itself in magnificent fashion. Elevated above the Percuil River, overlooking the tranquil waters and moored vessels to the countryside beyond. A commanding and magnificent setting. Outside, the landscape gardens extend to approximately 0.7 of an acre and have been designed to complement the setting. Approach via a gated, sweeping driveway with turning circle, central island and ample parking with a detached garage and workshop and boat storage potential. Stepping inside, the home opens into a series of elegant living spaces, where character blends seamlessly with refined contemporary finishes. At the heart of the home is a beautifully extended kitchen, breakfast, day room, thoughtfully designed to open up views across the gardens to the river. It features wide sliding doors leading onto a balcony terrace with seamless glass balustrading to maximise the views. When the doors are slid open, the home extends onto the terrace, offering a relaxed and versatile indoor-outdoor environment. The principal bedroom is particularly impressive with its own sitting and dressing areas, private balcony and a luxurious ensuite, all enjoying far-reaching coastal and countryside views. The home offers 3 further well-appointed bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, alongside 5 elegant reception rooms, providing versatile accommodation for family and guests. Altogether, the property expands just over 3,800 square foot, combining space, comfort and flexibility throughout. The location is equally compelling, set in a serene and sheltered position, just a 5-minute stroll to the harbour, shops, cafes and restaurants of the village centre. Roscarrick is a home that combines timeless character, exceptional quality and an outstanding coastal setting. I would be delighted to show you around in person.